Alright, we're on tutorial 5 now, and hopefully by this point you know how to move your guy around. If you want a quick refresher though, I do have the code right here for left, right, up and down motion. You take a look at that. This week we're going to do a little bit of a maze game. The object of the game is, I've built this maze here, and he's going to run through it and hit the kind of teal circle at the end. Now the key is you can't hit any of the pieces of the maze, the black part, or else it will teleport him back to the beginning. So these are the motion controls for left, right, up and down. And then the other important part of this is the colors. So whenever my sprite, the cat, touches the black lines, he'll get point in direction 90, get teleported back to the beginning, and then shrink to size 30, which that's the size that I have him set to. Also, an important part now is changing your backdrops. So when he finally does get to this portal, it's going to send him back to this original location, size 30, but then it's going to change the backdrop too. Now if I click over here on the backdrops, we can see that I've made 3 different maps. So here's the second map, and here's the third map, and each of them have a different colored portal at the end. So whenever he gets to this little teal color and touches this teal color, it will switch the map to this one. And then I have another script in for the cat that when he touches this purple one, it'll switch to the third one. So pretty simple design here. You guys should be able to catch on. So let's see how this plays out in motion. Now, warning, I am not great at this. So when I hit that, it immediately goes back. It is very unforgiving. But I think I will make it this time. Nope, I hit it at the end. Oof. Alright, there we go. So it switched to the next map, and I'm not going to try to make it through this one. In fact, I'll just pick him up and move him over here. And then when I hit this one, it transports to the third map. Now that's because we have each of these codes set. So for the teal color, it switches to backdrop 2. For the purple color, it switches to backdrop 3, and for the red, it'll switch to back to backdrop 1. So that's how you set that up. Now, if you're a little bit confused on how to make these maze maps, we can do that real quick. You go to backdrops. I'm just going to duplicate this one, or you can make a new one. In fact, I can kind of just clear this out a little bit. Yeah, there, it's all gone. Alright, so you grab the square, or at least I did, and black, and I just drew a square. I grabbed the eraser, punched some holes in it, then I just started drawing lines. Came here, drew a few lines. They don't have to be straight. They can be whatever you want them to be. And then there you go, there's a little basic maze. You can come over here to the circles. Here's a nice blue circle at the end, and you get yourself a little bit of a maze. You want to make sure that there's enough room for your cat to fit through. That's the basic layout of it. Create your own maze and have fun.